Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create designs in seconds using Canva Magic Design. This is going to be the website we're going to work with. It's going to be called Canva, and the link is going to be www.canva.com. And with this one, I want you to pay your attention on this left side of the screen. It has Home, Magic Studio, Projects, Templates, Brands, Apps, and Classwork. I want you to click on Magic Studio. This is a new feature from Canva, and by the way, just a kind of reminder that if you're watching this using your MacBook, tablet, or phone, please stay in the video because the process is literally the same. Also, this specific feature is available for all Canva users, may it be free account or even the paid version. However, the only difference is, for the paid account, you'll have all features of the Magic Studio. However, also, for the free version, you'll have access to it, though it is a limited access. There are features that aren't available to you, unlike the paid version of course. However, it's still good enough to start with. By the way, this is gonna be Magic Studio. So technically, what is Magic Studio? Imagine Canva and ChatGPT combined together. It's like having a friend, having someone to work with your designs. Because personally, creating a project out of nothing from scratch is really hard. Starting from a blank page, creating a thumbnail from blank is really hard, so that's where Magic Studio comes in. It will help you get ideas so you don't have to start from scratch. And under Magic Design, it has 3 sections. Magic Design, of course, the general one, and also Magic Design for presentations. This is gonna be more on the PowerPoint section. For example, you have a meeting and then you want to size it up, you want to spice the presentation. This is the one you want to work with. Next one is Magic Design for video. This is more on for the editors for example, YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Facebook Reels, Instagram Stories. This is the one you want to work with. Okay? Now let's try creating this specific design using Magic Studio. I want you to click on this one, try Magic Design, and simply input the prompt right here on the search bar. Let's try typing a poster for a dental health period. Let's start simple because I'm gonna show you later on how the difference. For example, I'm gonna type in a longer prompt, a very specific prompt versus a very simple one right here. Now, on Canva, you can see this templates right here, which is actually good enough. For example, this one, Children's Clinic. This is actually good enough for me. These are preset templates that you can work with, that you don't have to start from scratch. However, these are old templates. A lot of people are using these ones. You can have duplicate people using this specific design. That's where Magic Studio comes in. AI generated templates, this is our real-time templates design. These are not like any other. For example, this one right here, this is just made as of now, specifically for this prompt. That's the difference between Magic Studio and just the Canva template itself. Okay? So let's start choosing from the designs right here. By the way, I want to highlight this one. For the first design, it has poster 42 by 49.4 centimeter. As you can see, each design has different resolution for each specific type. Now I'm gonna click on this one, the third one, poster of 42 by 59.4 centimeters, because I like the design. Customize this template right here, and then it will take you to the editing platform. Now, basically for me, this is actually a design now. I've just created a design in mere seconds using this specific tool. Now, if you want to still edit it, for example, you can change the name right here. Of course you can. I'm just going to remove this one right here to make sure this is not distracting. Now I want you to pay your attention on the left section of the screen. We have design over here, elements, text, brand, uploads, and so on and so forth, up to even apps. Okay? Now, basically we just made a design, right? Now we can further the quality of the design itself, or rather the poster. For example, it has a lot of sections here. For example, on the top tile, the specific banner or the specific slogan right here, the image, and of course, who made the book or poster. So for example, I want to change this style right here, simply clicking on it and then double click right again. You can specifically change the tile itself right here. For example, tips and tricks for maintaining healthy teeth and gums, right? I'm just gonna add slasher and tongue. For example, that's how I'm gonna use it. Or rather, how about let's just say lips. And then as you can see earlier, if you notice it, when I click this one, there is a magic write option right there. This is another power of Magic Studio. So simply click on it and you'll see options, for example, continue writing, summarize text, rewrite, more fun, more formal, and sprinkle fairy dust. As you can see right there, this is actually very helpful for those who don't have an idea of what the title should be. So for example, I want to give it more formal, and then Canva AI will generate a new title for me. Actually, it is a huge title because this is formal one, but I can just minimize it to show you guys what is the result. I'm gonna put 20 right there, too small, how about 30? As you can see, you can edit the font size right here. These are another tools for you to work with. These ones on the top are different from the ones on the left, okay? So let me just zoom it right here. Now earlier, it was really a plain sentence, right? When I used Magic Write to keep it more formal, it gave me this result. So as you can see, it even volatilized the results for me. For example, I want to make it more fun. I'm just gonna click that fun right there, and there you go. Each sentence is changed to fit the specific feature I clicked. Now for example, I'm good with this, I'm gonna say it as it is. Now I'm gonna update this title right here, the main title. I can adjust the size over here. I rather adjust the size here because if I adjust the size, for example, lengthwise and the height, it's not really proportional. So I suggest or strongly suggest whenever you're adjusting a font size, do it on the corner. Now next one, as you can see the text over here, I'm sure you're quite aware of this one. You can change the specific font size of exactly the font design that you want. For example, right there, you can type dentist and then health, or rather healthy dentist. Let's just call it like that. Remove this one right here and replace it with this one. Minimize the topic, include the title right there. Now for example, I want to change this specific picture because technically it just shows teeth, right? I'm gonna go on this elements right here, or design. I can just type in dental health. It will show me a lot of photos to work with. For example, I can use this specific video and just drag it right there. Now I have a video on my poster. It's moving, it's actually interacting on this specific poster. That's actually really good, right? Now I can further get some more videos over here. For example, let's just say this little girl, drag it, drop, and basically all of the videos are free to use. Now for example, I'm really satisfied with the design as of now. Next up is of course download. Now how can I download this specific output or project that I've just made? Basically, I just want to click on share, top right section right here, click on it and you'll see this download option. Once you click on download right here, Canva will ask you for the exact file type. You'll have choices right here: MP4 video, SVG, best for web designs and animations, GIF, PDF print, JPEG, and PNG. So since I've created one with a video, I'm gonna choose video here. Now quality would be this one. Original is the one that I chose from the custom font. However, I can increase the quality a bit more. For 4K, this is 2K, this is actually AG, I think, HD. And as you can see, the further I adjust the quality, the further the quality name right there. For example, earlier it's original. Once I lower it down, it's gonna be for streaming, it's gonna be for social media, and lastly is for drafts. So basically, if you want to get the best quality, maximize it for large screen right there. But this is not for large screen, this is for poster only. I think this is not for now. Click on download and just wait for your poster to finish downloading. Now that being said, let's take another template because I want to show you a really specific prompt. Because this is a very basic prompt, right? Now I just want to show you a very quick one. For example, a poster regarding, let's just say, comic books in a very Let's just say casual or Western style, and then old aesthetic. Those are the prompts I'm gonna use. Simply click on enter. I'm just gonna wait for Canva AI to finish generating my specific poster. So as you can see in the very bottom, these are preset templates poster for you guys again. As you can see, I put it Western earlier and Canva gave me Western. So actually, for me, these ones right here are good enough, but I want to avoid having duplicates from other people using the same templates. That's why I really love when they added AI to Canva. Now we're gonna choose here, these are the results that Canva gave me. Now I'm gonna choose this one right here. Very aesthetic, very simple looking, very informative. Click customize template right there. So I just want to point out here, I'm not gonna finish the design here, okay? I just want to point out that the prompt really is important. The only limit here will be your imagination. The only limit for the prompt will be your discretion. Be specific as you want to get the specific design that you want, of course. And that's it actually. That's how you create images in seconds using Canva Magic. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.